one button. And repeat.
Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I'm talking about...
Sorry, about 10 seconds before it kicks in.
Yeah. How many of you have got money on you now? Money, yes. Real cash.
We got money.
You can't have it.
Right. All of us have got money, and I'm sure that all of us have spent much of the day either investing money or looking for money. But money is elusive. Yes, we want to possess it, we want to control it, we want to be secure. However, it's quite elusive. Some people say money is the source of evil. But actually, the lack of money is the source of evil. Why? Because you really can't love money and hold it and grip it. It just goes away. How can we then be in possession so that we are secure? How can we? How can we control? How can we possess this money? Now, there are a number of things that we do normally. Right? We normally do this all the time. We save it. Now, there are certain methods that we use to save. These are some of the things that, of course, the technology tends to bring about. However, let's have it. Let's just go ahead with it. One way we have saved when we were small, we had a piggy bank. You are told that whenever you have change, you just put it in the piggy bank. Another way would be to put it in a pillow. Yes, saving is the key. Another way is to put it in a pillow. Some people think that actually when they have money in a pillow, they are actually secure because when you go to sleep, you never know, it might fly away. In fact, it's very interesting how you find that the same thing, we have it now here. I know none of us keeps money in a pillow good enough. However, we do to some extent. There's some principle, because what we do, yes, thank you. What we do is that we keep it in our wallets so that it doesn't fly away. However, in most cases, we actually keep it with the professionals, the bank. We are secure that these guys know how to keep our money. Now, in all these principles, whatever you are using, there is one principle. In all these methods that you use, there's one method that I would like to share with you, and that is the deaf triangle, or cycle, or principle. Whatever method you use, you must be disciplined, and you must be ready to endure, and you must be ready to refocus. Now we are going to be looking at two examples how this can work. One example, some of you have a car. In order for us to save money, we should use one of these methods of travel. If we sell a car, then of course the other one we can walk, we can cycle, but in this example, I've used the train. just go on a train. And let's explore how much we can save daily, weekly, when this happens. If we sell our car, all these are our expenses, and the only expense, this is what we would, in a week we would say we would actually spend 106.70p, and this is, in a year we would spend 5,540, as you see that. Now, if our target is, for example, to buy a car, to buy a house in 3 years, then in 3 years' time, we would be able to be saving 12K towards the buying of our house. It would be very difficult because you don't want to walk or you don't want to go on a train. It's very full of people, and you don't want those inconveniences. But you have got to endure, and you have got to be able to refocus your attention. The second one is food. If we cook our own food, in 1 year we would save 2,912. In 3 years again, we would actually save 9,000. As you can see, those two we are able to get about, from Togo we have got 12,000, from meals we would get 9,000, and indeed at the end we will be able to have 21,000, which we can secure, which we've accrued by our tough measure of saving, and that will be a deposit for our house, and we will be on the property ladder within 3 years. It is hard. That's the reason why we need discipline. That's the reason why we need endurance. That's the reason why we need refocusing until we get our target. Now, some people say that humans made money and money made humans mad. We cannot be mad if we are actually disciplined and we endure and we focus. We are able actually to just go a little convenience in order for us to survive, in order for us to achieve what we want. Thank you very much.